Hindi.
Sabay hindi, ano?
Friend?
Aray. Aray. Tagulit. Ano ba?
Levio.
Parang ano, nag-video.
Very transformer. I love this guy.
Lagi pare. I love this guy.
That's the way I am here because I want everyone to be happy.
Yes.
Be happy. Be young. Forever young.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So, sa akin lang, Mario Robert, sinauna lang sa akin na, ako, siyempre, na lang sa akin na, magkaroon ng, very, responsibility, difficult, the responsibility.
Excuse me.
Focus na lang sa, your responsibility. You have your family, you have two children. Yeah, bro. I love you, man.
Woo! Let's give a big hand to
We always cheer for you. From balik-balik to Makati. Nagdagdag pa kami ng 30. Kasi sinagawa kami ng taxi driver. Malayo mo.
What experience?
Yes, kailangan dito kami. Working. Yes. Stay. We're friends. What are friends for?
Until you get old.
Yes. Friends is,
Friends for forever.
Yes. Friends. I love you, friends. I love friends.
Yeah.
But there's no feeling. There's no, kumbaga,
There's no hard feeling about it.
ano ba, alam mo pinagsamahan na, almost a year,
It's like brothers and sisters, something like that.
So I'm your sister, bro. Yeah.
Okay.
I love you, bro.
Okay.
That's all.
Let's give a big hand to Kate.
Before, we're not connected sa masyado kasi. Later on na lang, nung time na nung parang reunion, walang balita. After high school, wala nang balita eh. So, parang nagkaroon ng bonding na lang tayo after ng reunion natin. So, masabi ko lang. Yun. Okay ka, pre. Say what you are. Tapos, we're a family na yan. Kaya, yun, responsibilidad. Equal. Yun naman lagi ba? Oo.
Let's rock.
Good health, everything. Yeah, and happy. Yeah. Happy life, happy family. Take care of this. Yeah.
Yeah! That's my life.
Beautiful children. That's nice, man. Happy birthday, Frank. Sige, man.
Woo!
Palakpakan. Alam ko mga paa.
Ayun. Okay,
Ayan, ito.
ano message mo, pare?
Good evening po. Maring Ruel. Gandang gabi po sa inyo. Sir,
Aroy.
ako po ay
Kawan.
Nag-out dito sa South City.
Yes.
Yun lang po.
Ano? Nakakatawa.
Okay, si Otol naman ang magbibigyan ng message para sa mga classmates niya. Sa birthday celebrant.
Most important at nag-aryan pa. Ito lang mo sabi. Pare, no? Siyempre, sa lahat. And yes, for the blessing. Happy family.